Screen time is a big issue these days as we spend most of our time working on computers, watching TV, or scrolling through our phones. Though looking at screens too much doesn't necessarily cause any damage to your eyesight, but it can lead to unpleasant symptoms such as eye strains, headaches, blurred or double vision, and even troubles concentrating. If you are trying to reduce screen time or you are trying to prevent the unpleasant symptoms that occur, such as eye strain, you should definitely try the 20-20-20 rule. The rule says that every 20 minutes spent using a screen, you should try to look at something 20 feet far away from you for a total of 20 seconds. The rule is a great way to remember to take a break. It was popularized by Dr. Jeff Anschel, a vision ergonomist, during his research on how to reduce computer vision syndrome, also known as digital eye strain. So how can you use the 20-20-20 rule? The first step is to find a way to remind yourself to take a break every 20 minutes. You can set an alarm on your phone to remind you to take a break every 20 minutes, or you can use an app that I found. It's called the Eyecare 20-20-20. It was specially designed for this rule.
You can set the 20 minutes timer manually or use the Only at Work automated timer for workspace. This allows you to choose a start time and end time. Then the alarm sounds every 20 minutes. You can check out this app on Apple Store or your Android Play Store.
The second step is to look at something 20 feet away from you. My advice for you is to just look at something far away, because you can't take a tape measure with you all around with you because you're trying to measure a distance that is 20 feet long. So just try to look at something that is far away from you, or better still, try to walk around your workspace if you have the opportunity to. And the final step is to look away for 20 seconds. Why 20 seconds, you may ask? This is because it has been found that it takes 20 seconds for your eyes to relax. Eye strains from digital screens can be very uncomfortable. The 20-20-20 rule is a great way to reduce or avoid eye strains, and it is also a very good hack for decreasing screen time. I would recommend you all to try it and see if it works well for you. I would love to know about your view or experience concerning this rule in the comment section below. Please, before you go, make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications to my channel in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.